Hey you guys, it's your girl the Keystone Trucker. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Y'all already know the deal. If you didn't already do so, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Yes. So I know I haven't been vlogging. I've been really busy. As you can see, I'm in Indiana training and it's really cold outside, guys. It's really cold. So we've been like doing, oh yes, let me show y'all. It's probably melting a little bit. This is how it's outside, guys. It melted some though, but we have to do our 2 weeks here in Indiana, and it's all, you know, all filled. As you can see, we're in a big tent and we have many tents inside of the huge tents, and it is mixed with male and female, so we sleep in the same quarters, guys. And yes, we're all doing COVID and whatever, so I don't want nobody talking about COVID safety, and we're all wearing, you know, our masks and stuff. But let me show y'all my headquarters. So this is my headquarters, just my tent. I got my sleeping bag, and then I just got my blanket as well. But yeah, since I got my CDLs, my Class A, they wanted me to do driver training, so that's why I really have not been able to vlog as much as I wanted to. And guys, yes, it is April. It's April. What is it? April. What is today? The 21st. It's April the 21st. I'm vlogging and it's like this outside. So yeah, I haven't gotten a chance to really vlog the way I wanted to, because being out in the field for the whole 2 weeks we're out here. Well, it's a little less than 2 weeks than a normal AT, because I guess COVID or whatever, they made it shorter. I'm not sure. It's like 9-10 days out in the field. But we had to move someone's tent over because there's a huge water bubble in the tent, and as you can see, it's just dripping and leaking. It's just dripping. We tried to get it out, but it's like huge, guys. It's huge. Guys, I can say out of all the ATs that I've done, this AT has like literally the worst food. It's literally the worst food, that you don't even eat it. It's bad. It's bad, but so far it's not going bad. Last night I did not sleep good at all. I was freezing, but the other nights I slept like a baby. I was knocked out. I also had a problem with my data and stuff, and my service sucked, but I called T-Mobile and now like everything's working fine. So there are chargers like throughout the outline of the tents. There are charging stations for us to charge our electronics as well. And then people was able to bring like their portable chargers with them if they wanted to, but that only lasts but so long. So yeah, we do have outlets in the tent. Important items, so I've just been in my tent guarding the items, just relaxing and trying to stay out of trouble. But I just like took a little nap. I woke up watching some YouTube and I'm just relaxing. But hungry though. I normally don't heat my MREs up. I normally like just eat it right out of the bag, but my throat is pretty sore and I want something hot. I normally don't do it because it just takes a while, so I'm just gonna heat this up and wait. Okay. There was no water in the showers. They forgot to turn the valve on or something, so I have to do it the old-fashioned way and brush my teeth with the water bottle and my toothbrush and toothpaste. Oh, good.
Out of him.
Dang, isn't that guy really strong now? Flamingo or something?
He is. So strong, we got to do that. Trying to stay around.
This is how we fix the window. This is so. Right now I am in my tent. I am waiting for information, which is supposed to be 2000, which is 8 o'clock, but they switched the freaking time so far. this is the third time they switched it. So I'm just in my tent watching YouTube videos. I showered already. I ate some more of my Chipotle. I used the restroom. I moisturized. I did all that. I'm waiting for bed, but they need to finish this formation up. I probably would eat a little bit more before I go to bed and just relax. But yes, I'm just in my tent relaxing, guys. I am tired, as you can see by my eyes, but yes, just chilling, relaxing. Doing some driver training. I was supposed to train people on the LHSs, but I'm doing some forklift training. So guys, I'm supposed to be doing driver training, which that's all I've been doing, because like I said, when people find out that you have your CDLs, like I was saying, when people find out that you have your CDLs, they just want you to drive everything. So basically, I have to watch out for my surroundings. So basically, all AT, I've been doing driver training. Actually, I don't know how to drive the forklift, so I was actually wanting to learn to drive the forklifts, but I was, the Humvees, LS. Guys, I'm tired. Listen, LMTVs, all that good stuff. I'm ready to go home, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah.
I like these ones are too rounded. These shoestrings,
They not sturdy enough.
like you like the flat ones, the flat pack ones.
Hey guys, so we got released today. We took like a battalion photo because our AT is about to end. I got some chow, vegetarian, vegan chili, shrimp and grits, and some veggies and stuff. I'm gonna relax. I'm gonna end the vlog now. It is really hot. I'm gonna take my shower and everything and just relax for the rest of the night. So thank you for watching. If you didn't already do so, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Subscribe to my Instagram, and as always, have a blessed day. Bye y'all.